Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS black screen issue when using game capture. This is a common problem that can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through several solutions that should get your game capture working properly again. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First open your OBS app on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the sources panel at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your capture sources are listed. Take a look at the eye icon next to your game capture source. If the eye icon appears crossed out or disabled, that means your source is hidden. Simply click on it to enable visibility. This is often the simplest fix and might immediately solve your black screen issue. If you've checked the visibility and the black screen persists, we need to restart OBS with administrator privileges. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the system tray. Click on Show Hidden Icons, which is usually represented by an upward-facing arrow. This will reveal additional icons that are running in the background. Locate the OBS icon among these hidden icons, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Exit to completely close the application. This ensures OBS shuts down properly before we restart it. Now, find your OBS application icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the OBS app icon, and from the context menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. This grants OBS the necessary permissions to capture games properly, as some games require elevated privileges to be captured. Once OBS launches with administrator rights, check if your game capture is now working correctly. Many times this permission issue is the root cause of the black screen problem. If you're still experiencing the black screen after running as administrator, we need to try a different approach by adding a display capture source instead. In the bottom left section of your OBS window, navigate to the Sources panel. Click on the plus icon to add a new source. From the list of options that appears, select Display Capture. This method captures your entire monitor instead of just the game window, which can be more reliable for certain games. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your new display capture source. You can rename it to something like Gaming or Monitor Capture, then click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see another window with various settings. Navigate to the Display drop-down menu and select your preferred monitor from the list. If you have multiple monitors, make sure you choose the one where your game is running. Once you've selected the correct display, click OK to apply the settings. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the OBS black screen issue using multiple troubleshooting methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.